Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by measuring ingredients precisely so flavor balances. Add 1 cup tequila, 0. 5 cup triple sec, and 1/2 cup fresh lime juice into the Ninja pitcher. This ratio gives bright citrus with spirit backbone. Next, add 1 tablespoon agave or sugar to soften acidity. Then pour in 2 cups of ice to chill and dilute correctly. Ice volume controls strength and texture. Once done, secure the lid and select a low pulse to begin breaking ice and integrating liquids. You now focus on texture and taste. Pulse 3 to 5 times to crush big ice chunks, then blend on low to medium for about 10 to 15 seconds so you get a slushy yet smooth margarita. This prevents foam and over-aeration. Taste and adjust. If too tart, add a teaspoon of agave. If too strong, add 1 or 2 ice cubes or a splash of water. Make sure to stop and scrape the sides once so all ingredients homogenize evenly before final pour. You finish by rinsing the rim with lime, dipping into salt or sugar, and pouring the margarita into chilled glasses. Garnish with a lime wheel for aroma. If your drink is too watery, make a note to use less ice or a shorter blend next time because dilution happened during blending. If it's grainy or icy, the blender speed was too low, blend an extra 5 to 10 seconds. Finally, taste once more. Small tweaks make the recipe repeatable and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.